Hello everyone, we have a cool math question here. If you can solve it, put the correct answer in the comments. Let's solve it together. Some people will solve this question as simple as it is and still get wrong answer. The reason is that they didn't follow the order of operation. They just begin solving from left to right. That is the common mistake people make when solving this kind of question. And that is the reason why they will get wrong answer. Now, we have subtraction here, we have addition here, we have multiplication here. Three different operations. So which of them are we going to begin with? For us to know the right one to begin with, we have to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. This is the first order. We don't have parentheses here. E stands for exponent, something like 2 raised to power 2. It's not here. So we move to the next order, the next level. That is multiplication and division. They are in the same level, the same order of priority. So we begin solving from left to right. Looking at this question, we have only multiplication. So we are going to solve this one now. We have 9 minus 2 plus 4 times 3 is 12. Next is addition and subtraction. They are in the last level, the same level of operation. We begin solving from left to right. Looking at this question, subtraction came first. So we are going to do that one because we look at it from left to right and we see subtraction first. So we are going to do the subtraction first before we do the addition. So let's do that. 9 minus 2 will give us 7 plus 12. 7 plus 12 equal to 19. This is the correct answer.